Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. If you guys know me by now, if you've been watching my content, seeing what I do, you know that I have a social media agency. I run marketing, advertising for e-commerce brands, brick and mortar stores, services, people that are generating leads, all kinds of people, all kinds of businesses all over the place. Not a particular niche market. We help all kinds of businesses because the social media world really can help any business. If you have a business and you're not in the social media world, trying to take advantage of the attention it has, you're leaving a lot of money on the table because people's eyeballs are on it. Your customers are on it. Your job is to capture that attention so you can help them. So you gotta understand why. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I would recommend that you do if you are serious about taking advantage of the social media wave, because it's a wave. I mean, this is what's happening today. Let me just use the whiteboard just because I like to use it, okay? Social media 2015 became a mobile world, right? It's 2019 now. Before 2015, they didn't know how to monetize the mobile world yet. 2015, it's been an explosion. It was like this, right? It was slowly trending up. People were using it. Facebook was making money. Around here, Facebook collapsed. Why? Because companies felt that Facebook was not going to be able to understand how to put people's advertisings, brands' advertisings on the mobile devices. And at that point, 98% of the revenue was on desktops. Today, fast forward a few years later, 98% of the revenue is on mobiles. So that's where the attention is happening right now. So as soon as Facebook figured it out, boom, big explosion, right? So we've been riding the wave from this moment on. I have been on top of this wave every single day, just riding it. I'm not trying to create my own Facebook. I'm trying to just ride the wave. Now, let me just make something very clear. And it's very important to understand that it's a very logical thing and it's common sense, but people don't even think about that. There's this whole thing going on about, oh, Facebook is the devil, or I hate Facebook, or people hate Facebook, or my customers are not on Facebook. Dude, the world doesn't agree with you. You're wrong. Facebook is being used more than ever today. Just look at the numbers. Don't believe me. Don't believe my passion. Just go back and go to Google and search for Facebook quarterly reports and check it out because it's pretty insane. The expansion of the company shown on the last trimester, it's not slowing down anytime soon. It's actually picking up strength and it's making more money and a lot of money. The actual stock jumped 20% overnight just after those numbers were reported. So it's not something that is dying. You want to know what's dying? Other platforms. Twitter, it's not making any money. It's not making that much money. I mean, it's not dying. It's not making that much money. Snapchat finally had a decent quarter in which they didn't lose as much as expected. They didn't make money because they don't make money yet. They didn't lose as much as expected. So the only one that's actually taking over this world right now and making a lot of money along the way and keeping customers in it and being a user-friendly experience is Facebook. One thing that people forget about is that Facebook is a family of apps. It's not just one blue icon. Facebook is Facebook. Instagram is the Instagram stories. It's the Facebook stories. Facebook is also the Facebook Marketplace, the Facebook Watch. Facebook is also, they have a lot of different places where they put their messages, their advertising. Now they have the Facebook groups. If you guys open up your Facebook app, you will see that somewhere around the middle, there is an option for a Facebook groups newsfeed in which you can see all the posts of your Facebook groups that you're a part of. That's another placement that you can also right now put your message in front of, and that's actually coming into fruition in 2019. Facebook groups advertising on their newsfeed.